Alright, we're heading to the last problem, performance task. The problem starts with Mr. H wants to use a part of his backyard for his dog. He wants to use 225 square feet for his dog playground. Part A, Mr. H plans to build a rectangular playground that has the length is 16 feet longer than the width. He estimates the perimeter is 2W plus 16 feet. Is Mr. H expression accurate? Explain in detail. So, first of all, I don't have a dog, and I wish that I have a husky. I love to have a husky. To solve this problem, we're going to do is draw a rectangle. Okay, we're going to underline some key points. First, they say that the playground has the length is 16 feet longer than the width. Okay, in the rectangle, we have the long side and the short side. So the short side is the width, and the long side is the length. In this case, they say that length is 16 feet longer than the width. So length will be W plus 16. Okay, this rectangular, you have two width and two length, and they both are W plus 16. Perimeter is the outside of rectangle, so we're gonna do it at all four sides of this rectangle. W plus 16 is the first one, plus W, plus W plus 16, plus W. So we add all four sides. So we have one W plus another W plus another one and another one. So you have 4W in total. That will be 4W. And there's two numbers 16, positive 16, and another positive 16. That will be 32. So perimeter equal to 4W plus 32. And it's obviously the answer that they gave you is 2W plus 16 is wrong. So the question was, is Mr. 8 expression accurate? So your answer is going to be it's not accurate, because based on your answer, the perimeter have to be 4W plus 32. So the answer in the problem was off 2 times. It have to be twice as much as the one they gave you. So Mr. H expression is not accurate because the perimeter is 4W plus 32. That's it. Okay, there's a multiple way to answer this question. This one of the straightforward way to give me the answer. So if you give me the correct perimeter, you get 1 point. If you explain it, state that my expression is not accurate, and because your answer is 4W plus 32, that is the second point. Alright, we're gonna head down to part B. 2 of his students help him plan the playground. The first student is Bianca, says that the perimeter is 4W plus 32. So good job, Bianca. She got exactly the same answer like we had earlier. The second student, Jason, said that the perimeter playground should be 2W plus 50 feet. Okay, we will not talk about is that correct or not. But the question said that if both students are correct. So let's assume that Jason also have correct equation. So they both represent the same perimeter. So we have to do is find the width, length, and perimeter of the rectangle. So they both are correct, which means they both equations represent the same perimeter. Means that 4W plus 32 equal to 2W plus 50. And we're going to solve for W. So we have 4W on the left side, 2W on the right side. So W on both sides, you need to bring one of them to the other side. So I'm gonna move 2W. The plus sign belongs to 50, so W itself is positive. We have to subtract 2W on both sides. 4W minus 2W is 2W. We're gonna bring down 32 equal to 2W and negative 2W cancel each other out. We're gonna bring down 50. To get W by itself, we're gonna move away 32. So right now 32 is positive. We have to subtract 32 on both sides. So 2W equal to 50 minus 32 is 18. To get W by itself, you're gonna get rid of 2. So 2W side by side mean that 2 times W, you have to divide by 2 on both sides. Cross that. So W equal to 18 divided by 2 is 9. So it's 9 feet. W stands for the width, and width is 9 feet. The length, based on part A, the length is 16 feet longer than the width, means that you have 9 plus 16, so the length gonna be 25 feet. Excuse me. And last one, we're gonna find perimeter. As we draw out earlier, that width is 9 feet and length is 25, so I can fill them in the picture. Perimeter will be 9 plus 25 plus 9 plus 25. So I add them all up. That will give me 25 plus 25, 50, 9 plus 9, 18, 50 plus 18 is 68 feet in total. So all I did is add them all up. The second way you can do this is using our equation. P equal to 4W plus 32, which is from this one. We just rewrite that over here. We know W is 9 feet, so we're gonna plug that into W. So that will be 4 times 9 plus 32. 4 times 9 is 36 plus 32. That will be 68 feet. So it's also matching with our answer earlier. So that's 2 ways to find perimeter in this case. Alright, so that's it for the chapter 2 practice test. If you have any question, please write it down on your packet and ask me a question in class. You can rewatch this as many times as you need. Make sure you make a flashcard to use during the test, and come for tutoring if you are still confused about this answer key. Come to the tutoring before school any day and after school on Thursday and Friday. Since our test is about around Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, around that time, so you should come in the morning so you get all your question answered. Alright, good luck everyone, have fun and have a great weekend.